Hello guys, welcome back to CADtastrophy. So today we will learn how to draw this 2D exercise in AutoCAD 2D. So let's begin. First we have to create this middle portion, this polygon which is 16 mm in length. Then these circles which is 60 mm diameter, 50 mm radius and 160 mm diameter. Okay, starting with polygon. Number of sides are 6, location 0, 0, and this is circumscribed about circle, and this is 16 mm. Okay, now select circle 0, 0, make this 16 mm circle. Again select circle and from center give, this is 60 mm diameter, so 30 mm in radius. Again from center 50 mm radius. Another one from center, this is 80 mm radius. Okay, now make this circle center line. So again we have to draw more circles. See, these three circles we have to make. This is 10 mm in diameter, so select circle and from here make one circle 5 mm in radius. And now this circle we have to draw here and here. So one thing we have to do is select array and select the circle and give center point, which is this. Okay, and number of items are 3. Close array. Okay, now select line command and from center make one 60-degree line. Okay, make this center line. Now again select circle and we have to draw these two circles, this 32 mm diameter and 56 mm diameter. So first one is 32, means 16 mm in radius. Another one is 56, we have to give diameter in 56. Okay, now one thing we have to draw now is this radius, this R15 radius. So select fillet command and this circle to this circle, give radius first. This is 15 mm, this circle and this circle. Okay, now mirror these lines and circles about y-axis. So select the circle and the radius, give mirror command and about y-axis, erase source object, no. Now go to offset command and give 16 mm distance, this 16 mm upper and below. Now we have to draw another circle which is 28 mm. See, now delete the unnecessary lines, select trim command and delete these unnecessary lines which you don't need. Okay, make sure every line is properly deleted, no small line remain. Delete each line manually. Okay, see, this is ready. Now we have to mirror this upper portion about x-axis. So select these lines and go to mirror command, and from center to here. Okay, select no. Again select trim and trim this. See, our drawing is ready now. This circle make center circle, center line. Okay, see, our drawing is ready. Another thing, if you want to give this center lines, select from annotation, select center mark and give this center marks. Okay, we are completed. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe.